Welcome to Baking for Joy. Today we're going to be baking banana bread, or for some people this may be known as banana cake. You need to set your oven to 180 degrees Celsius so that can preheat while we're mixing the ingredients together. And you're going to need a loaf tin. The dimensions of the loaf tin will be in the instructions below. This is a simple yet delicious recipe to make and to eat. If you enjoy this video, please press the like button, and of course also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. So if you're ready, let's bake.